When I was thinking of how to reorganize, I've been thinking about this all week. Like, how am I going to do up my office? I was like, okay, I'm going to go out. I'm going to go to IKEA. I'm going to buy these drawers and then get a tabletop. And then that's just going to be my office. And then I thought about it and I was like, hold on. It took me like a whole week, like 5 days. I was literally thinking, what am I going to do? Then on Saturday is when the idea came to me, why don't I just swap everything around? So why don't I get rid of the dining table, which was my office table, and move my makeup table there, and then just have my makeup in the drawer. Like, I don't need a table in my bedroom. So that's what we're doing. Well, that's what I did. Pretty proud of myself because I would have honestly gone out and spent like 500-600, even more, on new tables, new drawers and everything, because I am that human. So I'm happy that I was able to, you know, repurpose old things. And yeah, today we're gonna tackle this makeup room. I probably will record myself actually doing the makeup room, and then we're gonna start with the office, and then we'll deal with the hallway. We've got some containers and stuff, Kmart, we've got some frames for work, we've got, this used to hold basically all of that, and now it's empty, and I'm going to put my makeup in here. And then when we go into the makeup room, I am actually taking my makeup out of there, and I'm going to put it in the other drawer. And then in this is going to hold like my computer, my printer, and then in there is just going to be all the stuff that's on the desk. Hopefully that will declutter the room. First, I am taking out everything from the drawers, and then I'm going to give them a wipe. Now, usually I would use the Norwex because it's just use water. But I've had these for a while, and I might as well just use them. Okay, update. I've done drawer number 1 and drawer number 2. And I am happy that I put, I don't know, these liners, they didn't do much because it's dirt under there. But as long as there's no makeup stains, I'm happy, because that's just like dust and stuff, and I can wipe that quickly. What are you doing? Look. You're shaking. Changed my phone screen, not phone screen, the case. Found all these cases and screen protectors. Where's my case? They're still going. Got the makeup there in the corner. So I have switched tactics. Leave it open. And I cleared out everything. I vacuumed it, and now I'm going to give it a wipe down. Here, everything has been removed. Everything's been taken off. The space looks so much bigger now. But now I just need to wait for Jamil to come and swap over the tables, because I can't hold that. That is way too heavy, and I have no one to help me, and I don't want to break my back. So he comes home in like 2.5 hours. So I'm going to start clearing out the office so that we can just see what we're going to do. Good morning, guys. It is Monday today, and the cupboard is in, well, the dresser. I didn't record it because it was so heavy to hold that in. When Jamil got home, I asked him to get straight onto it because we were losing light, and I just didn't want to spend all night doing it, which ended up happening anyway. But we moved all 3 pieces around, so heavy, so time consuming, and then we put all the boxes in each room, but I didn't sort them through, so I'm gonna do that today. All my makeup, there's some more back there. Then we've got some more up there. We've got some actually in the shelves as well. Yes, it is one for a kid's room, but honestly, no one comes into my room except for us. So I really don't care about this, like, you know, what's here. Although I might want to get a bigger one in the future, only because that's dead space and that's dead space. Like, I can't put anything there. Whereas if I just get cupboards that go from there to there, it's better for me in the long run. So I might actually do that. But just not now. We don't need it now. I'm going to see how this one goes. If I need more space, I'll go out and get one. If I don't need any more space, I'm going to stick to this. I bought these baskets, and these are the mosaic tubs in the medium. I could have got them in the white, but it's makeup. I actually should not. Like, I wanted to get the one that had no holes, so that with the makeup it doesn't slip through, but I couldn't find any, so these will do. And I know these fit in those drawers, so I'm just gonna, you know, put all my makeup in these. Guys, look at my Kylie Jenner set, and these are all originals. I got them all from her website, except for one, I think her birthday collection one, this one. I got it off someone else. They're faded because in the other house I used to have them lined up like that on the table, but the window was right there, so it faded half of them. Okay, so we're still organizing. Daniel's in the toilet crying. These pins, what I wanted to say were, if you're a scarfie, invest in these pins. Don't get pins like this one, because this part gets stuck into the material of your clothes. This part will not go into, like, even if it does get into the material, it just goes straight around, so it doesn't like wreck your scarves or damage them or anything like that. There you have this little container. It's got my whites, my blacks, the nudes, and I can fit so much more. Like, I've got some more pins here that I can fit in here as well. I love this. And then if I did want to get another set, I could get another set and just tie it here and have all that. And that's amazing for, like, if you're traveling, or even if you're not traveling, like if I want.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling.
But yeah, so this is just like, if I am wearing makeup, this is the kind of stuff I will lean to. So I've got that in there. You can get that at Officeworks. It's actually 2 separate pieces. I can't remember the price. I think together it was almost $40 or maybe a little bit over, but I like that this does come up. So yeah, it comes as a 2-piece and it is pretty thick for makeup, which is pretty good. Then I've got this mirror. This mirror right here is from Kmart. Oh my god, I need to clean it. How embarrassing sauce, guys. It's a light up mirror, but the cord only goes from back there to here. So it definitely needs a longer cord because my extension thing is there, but I don't really use it. In the first drawer, I've got in this basket, this is the hair basket. So anything got to do with hair, hairsprays, hair mousses, hair ties, hair brushes. Literally, Jamil and the kids cannot say we don't know where you're talking about, because this is the hair box and everything is in here. This is just like a little bracelet. I didn't have anywhere to put it, so it just goes here. These are my hijab brooches, the magnetic ones. So these plain pieces go behind the piece and then this goes in front of it, but I just stuck it to this metal piece because I don't know, it's just easier. Yeah, this is just stuff that we kind of reach for on a daily, so I've just put it all here. And then the next drawer we have, this box just has a bunch of like makeup stuff that didn't have its own place, so I put it all together. So we've got translucent powders, setting sprays, sponges and foundations. They all sit together. So this is a mixing plate, and then these are just some lip liners, extra lip liners that I have no space for in there. This is a paintbrush holder that you can find on eBay, and I've got my lip liners in there. In here I have my brushes, just everything, lipstick or lip products are right here. Next drawer we have fake eyelashes. We've got all the stuff like the glues and everything. I actually keep it in this Sunny's case. So as as you can see, it's all in here and it just makes life easier. I've got some eyeshadow palettes here. All my little eyeshadow palettes are in these containers, and I'm pretty sure these are like reused fruit containers or something that I used to buy once upon a time. Then we've got in here are just some loose kind of eye stuff. So we've got some loose pigments, some loose glitters, some MAC ones, some cream bases and stuff like that. This palette just fits on there. I've got some loose highlighting and blushes, highlighters and blushes. And I've just got a bunch of highlighters. Now, why do I have so many highlighters, you ask? Because I used to be a makeup artist and I used to buy these for all the different skin tones and skin types. So, you know, just different colors. You can never have enough blushes. Some like the subtle glow, so if you want a subtle glow, I have to get like all the colors in the subtle glow, just depending on your skin color. and if you like the really blinding, I had to get a couple of colors of that because not everyone is going to like the same. In the last drawer, I've got in here just makeup brushes. These are the mixing plates. Now with these, I needed some mixing plates for my clients because I would sometimes have a few clients a day and I couldn't go wiping and sanitizing and cleaning all that in between clients because sometimes they'd be waiting while I finished the other one. So I actually asked my father-in-law to make me some, you know, just cut out some sheets of metal, and then when he did cut them out for me, they actually are so heavy. Like each plate is so heavy. Not only that, the corners are super sharp. So I used a few, and then I actually asked him to make me like 5, and he ended up making me like 50. So I used a few, gave away a few, and now these just sit here. But what I've done is I've put all my makeup bags under here, then I've put these on top, and it weighs everything down, which is a good thing. And then I've got in here honestly, this drawer is just like extra drawer. And our phone cases for mine and Jamil's phones. And then I've got some extra stuff in here. We've got a bunch of lighters in there, some sewing stuff, some what are these? These are just embellishments that I put on my face, like sewing stuff and stuff like that, just random bits and bobs. And then in here I've just got the top up stuff, so more beauty blenders, oils, makeup sponge cleaners. Okay, and just stuff like that. So yeah, that's watch your feet, watch your feet, watch your feet. So that is